My name is Sam. I am from Miss Kelly's class. We would like to tell you about Parker, Colorado, and our state.
Our state flower is the Rocky Mountain columbine. It grows in the Rocky Mountains. It was discovered in 1820.
The Palisade Peach is our state fruit. It's a special fruit to appear in Colorado.
The Stegosaurus is Colorado's state fossil.
The Stegosaurus only had 6 skeletons.
A great place to visit in our state is the Rocky Mountains of Colorado.
The Royal Gorge is one of the deepest canyons in Colorado. You can go to the top and see how far down it goes.
Silverton is a mountain town that is great for mining and log cabins.
Colorado downtown Denver has a big soda shop, and it is great for buying soda in.
This is our state capital. It is in Denver, Colorado.
1859 is when people started to go looking for gold. Back then, now we live here with the beautiful mountains.
Jolly Ranchers first appeared in 1949. Jolly Ranchers were first founded by Bill and Dorothy Hermson.
Our state was the first to make the cheeseburger in Denver, Colorado.
Wildwood Springs has the biggest hot springs natural
Pool that is natural. You can swim in it.
Our school was made in 1989. We have 27 teachers in our school. We have 565 students in our school. Our town is Parker. It became a town in 1864. We are located in Colorado, outside of Denver. We are a suburb.
COLORADO!
Come and check us out.